In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Do Not Disturb in Slack if you're trying to focus, step away for a meeting, or simply take a break without missing anything important. Do Not Disturb is the quickest way to pause alerts while keeping all your messages safely waiting for you. Start by opening your browser and heading to slack.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you're looking at your Slack home view. These steps work the same whether you're using Slack in a browser or the desktop app, so follow along wherever you prefer to work. Look to the bottom left corner of Slack, you'll see your profile image or your initials. Click that profile area to open a quick menu. This menu is where Slack gathers the most common controls for your account and notifications, so it's the fastest way to manage interruptions without digging through settings. In that menu, find and click Pause Notifications. The moment you choose this, Slack switches you into Do Not Disturb mode. You won't get sounds, pop-ups, or badge counts for new messages during this time. Everything still arrives in your channels and direct messages, and you can read it whenever you're ready. People who message you will see a small indicator that you're in Do Not Disturb, which helps set expectations without you having to send a separate note. Now, adjust how long you want notifications to stay paused. Slack offers preset options like short bursts for quick focus sessions or longer stretches for deep work. You can also set a specific until time if you already know when you'll be available again. Pick a duration that matches your schedule. This is helpful for timing your quiet period to a meeting block, a lunch break, or the end of the workday, so alerts come back automatically when you're ready. As soon as you choose the time, you'll see a confirmation that your notifications are paused. During this period, you can still browse channels, reply to messages, and keep working. You just won't be interrupted by alerts. When the timer ends, Slack resumes notifications automatically. If you finish early, you can return to the same profile menu and turn notifications back on. That's all there is to it. Open Slack, click your profile in the bottom left, choose Pause Notifications, and set the time that fits your needs. With this small habit, you'll protect your focus, reduce context switching, and return to your messages on your terms.